Everyone, I'm CheCo and this is the slider that I've been using for, well, forever. But today, everything is changing because this is the Joby swing. The slider that I've been using for the past 3 weeks now. And we're going to talk about it. Before I start, this is not a sponsored video, but yes, Joby sent me this unit for review, but they have not seen this video or any other contents before you guys, and all opinions are my own. As I mentioned, this is the Joby Swing, a motorized slider that will fit you smartphone, GoPro, or even a small DSLR or mirrorless camera up to 0.6 kilograms. Normally a slider, this one go in rails to create a linear motion, then use point define on any device to go to a dolly motion forward and backward or side to sides. And this one got a 60 centimeters travel and of course is 60 centimeters in length. This is where Joby have come in with some clever motoring, some clever engineering, and this slide can do a full motion replicating a 38 centimeter slider, but yes, if you close it down, it's a footprint no bigger than 16 centimeters. And all you need to do is just put your device up here, your GoPro or your smartphone in this case, go into the Joby app that you can get for iOS or Android, pair it with Bluetooth, set up an in point and out point, press go, and that's it. You go on a sliding shot. It's nothing else. Something that you cannot do with a traditional slider, and I have been doing with the Joby swing for some videos on Instagram and some stuff that yes, I work by myself here in this studio or gaming setup, whatever you want to call it. This channel is so just me by myself. With a traditional slider, you need to push it yourself, and you cannot do that while you're in the camera. With this, set up an in point and out point, put it in repeat, and we'll do that in point and out point in a loop over and over and over. And then you can just sit in a chair, in a sofa, or wherever you want to film yourself. And yeah, you can film yourself and look like super professional because look like you got a system with you in the room. You got someone just giving you a hand, moving the slider very slowly towards you and planning the shot with you when what's all in your head and what's all you by yourself. This is the beauty of this. And for all the geeks out there like me, I'm just going to run you into their specifications because they are quite mind-blowing. So on the side of the device, USB-C for charging. It takes 2.5 hours to fully charge, and you can use it for 1.5 hours in time-lapse mode and the same 1.5 hours for video as well. 2.5 hours of charging, 1.5 hours of usage. Not bad. For connectivity, yes, it is Bluetooth 5.1. It's super fast, super reliable. Open your settings, turn it on, open your settings of your device, found it, pair it, and every time you turn it on, it will pair automatically with your device. Just like that. On the bottom of the device, you've got a 1/4 thread tripod mount. This is a female version, and on the top, you've got the corresponding male version to mount your phone or your GoPro, or, but in my case, a tripod head. That just goes straight up here. Tripod head. I use switch plates for all my devices. That just go in there, phone go on top, and voila. And the total weight with itself with the device without the tripod head, if I take that off for now, oops, is 0.29 kilograms for this thing. It's super light, as you saw in the beginning of the video. I had it in my pocket, and that just goes there, and you don't really notice it's there. It's probably same weight, similar weight, probably 2 phones. If you do a quick calculation, I love this thing. If you are a self-YouTuber like me and you don't got no help whatsoever and you want to film by yourself, this is the best thing you can use, a motorized slider, and this one by Joby. It's just brilliant. I will leave the link down below for Amazon. It's an affiliate code. You guys don't get charged anymore, but I get a small commission just to help to bring more equipment and bring better quality to this channel, because this is all about up and beyond. Let's make better videos, and this definitely is a keeper. This slider, if anyone wanted, just let me know in the comments. I may put it in eBay, or I may just leave it in the doorstep and put 3 words and someone in Instagram can come and get it. Farewell. Welcome home, baby. Welcome home. But overall, I'm CheCo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Press thumbs up if you like these videos. Let me know in the comments what you think about these videos and what you think in general about the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm CheCo Tech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to stay hydrated, please. Water's important. Subscribe.